Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how or you can find the link to a file in your storage in the Mega app on your device, for example, or in the web version of the Mega app. So let us guide you through this. So I will do this through the web version of Mega. Log into your account and navigate to your cloud drive here on the left hand side, right? So let's assume you would like to share with your contacts and friends an image from your storage. You can do this by clicking into these three dots, by navigating to share here, hover your mouse over it, and then select share link. And then guys, what you want to do is, go through that window here and either click into cancel or agree. That's totally up to you. And then guys, after that, you will be given the opportunity to share your image or file with your friends by using that shareable copy link here. Copy it to a clipboard. You may also click into this button, send it to your contacts and friends via direct messaging services. Or you can use this option here to create a QR code for the specific file. And then guys, you will see that QR code so that you may, for example, scan it or make a screenshot of it, and so on and so forth, or allow your friends to make a screenshot of it. So to scan it, of course, the QR code with their phone or mobile device, and that's how it works, guys, right? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.